is the situation at Pan Africa Mall. Illegal foreigners are being put into the police van, as you can see. These are employees of Waterloo. This is the third van that the police is filling up of illegal foreigners as they're going to be deported. Nithi nifuna umsebenzi baba. Akuphi ama-CV wenu?
Thoughts with Prince on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. How are you guys doing? Streets. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Prince Miller Entertainment Facebook group, Prince Miller Entertainment TV. We're also available on Twitter at P Miller ENT. We are also now on SciSci. Our podcast is a Prince Miller podcast on SciSci. So be part of us and subscribe and also follow. Welcome to another edition of Audio Thoughts with Prince on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Today is 11th of March 2022. And so guys, you just watched a clip which is making rounds on social media. And for the last few months, we've seen the locals, the South Africans, launching to various groups like hashtag Put South African First. We've seen hashtag Operation Dudula, and Dudula 3 Operation Fikela. But they say when they want to go, yema foreigners, they're saying that they don't want my illegal immigrants. Vari kukonzeresa kumabasa zvakare vakutotora futi nzvimbo dzekutengesera zvatinotengesa anzi aiwa mawandisa. So on that clip, Home Affairs Department and the police and other relevant authorities are doing some raids as we speak right now in Johannesburg, in Alexandra, in Soweto, in many other locations which are surrounding Joburg. They're trying by all means to respond to those groups. Authorities apana zvavari kuita. And so this is just one of those campaigns that they're trying by all means to build confidence with the locals. And one thing which is so ironic is that those people wamurikuona varikuiswa matrack mukubakumbo vane vavo vanorenda dzimba from those guys who are watching. Saka uchimidzi kuti kubva kwemuforena uyu achideportwa back to Zimbabwe, room yake ichasara isina munhu arimo, pachasara pasina munhu anobhadhara rent ipapo. At the end of the day, munhu ari kuti maforena ngaaende, he or she is going to lose revenue, because munhu airenda back room haasisipo adeportwa back to Zimbabwe. Saka as much as they want the foreigners to go, they need to think again on the other side, because they are also benefiting for the foreigners to be there, those illegal foreigners too. So as an illegal immigrant, wakaona wasvika pa that extent, wasvika pa that position yekuti unobatwa uri pabasa, utongoziva vega kutoti madhiri anenge adhakwa, utongoziva kutoti haso rinenge radhakwa, because from there unenge wakuendeswa maybe ku detention. After that unenge waenda court, after court wakudepotwa back to Zimbabwe, and this process can take up to 3 months or even 4 months. And yes, kuti ukwanise kuzodzosera back to Zimbabwe. At the same time, vanhu dzonguva vanenge vachisingaziva kuti vakasungwa, dzonguva vanenge vaziva kuti ndokwauri, but at the end of the day there's nothing much they can do. And some people may say kuti kwanisa kudzoka, yes, you can return back to South Africa, but zvinhu zvisina kumira semamiro azvanga zvakaita before, whereby ungone basa, ungone pamwe pekutoti waitombobata pakuzotanga kuzotsvaga rimwe basa, hatifungi kuti varunguva vakawanda vanenge vachida kuzohaya zvakare my illegal immigrants, in a way that whole company, I think muridzi wacho achitobhadhariswa fine neHome Affairs to actually employ illegal immigrants. And saka pakaipa. So Opeo did wrote on his Facebook account, he said a lot of Zimbabweans without legal documentations were rounded up yesterday from their workplaces in South Africa and will be deported back home. These are the results of a failed Zimbabwean economy due to corrupt rule, incompetence, and failed ZNPF policies. You now know that things are not working in Zimbabwe because ZNPF lose public funds, register to vote running away has its own problems. Hashtag register to vote Zimbabwe, hashtag register to vote 2023, and guys. So people on social media have been saying in any country anywhere in the world where the rule of law works, if you're a foreigner, you're required to have a permit or a visa to be working or visiting the certain country. So what is happening is not new, and it's not a crime for a country to perform such acts. But the question is, until when we be called by names by our fellow neighbors? We all know our Zimbabwean crisis is a man-made political crisis which needs political involvement from all citizens so we can be respected as human beings again. Zimbabwe, we need to participate more in politics than doing all-night prayers and fasting, and no matter what, which is 100% true. In any country in the world, you need to have a permit, you need to have a visa, you need to have proper documentation for you to work and stay in that country. It's so difficult to survive, and again, it's so difficult to even find employment. But in South Africa, we've seen so many people actually getting employed, some people even opening businesses without even legal documentation. The host country try by all means to relax its muscles, a room to sustain themselves, but the locals are now saying enough is enough, and we need our South Africa back. And so someone saying that this week I saw a lot of clips of illegal immigrants posting that South Africa belongs to everyone who lives in it and mocking South Africans. They said they will never return to Zimbabwe because they worked hard for many years to develop this country. And yes, there are some other Zimbabweans who are saying that Susuku Zimbabwe attend and yes, but with this kind of operations being implemented next year 2023, I don't think many people have a choice regarding to their stay in South Africa. And so someone wrote that no documents but working. The bigger issue is exploitation by these businesses hiring them. SA seriously is an immigration problem, and this isn't even the tip of the iceberg. And it's talking about the company which was employing those people, and many other companies who are employing illegal immigrants. They know that they are paying them half of what they are supposed to be paying. Most of the companies prefer to hire immigrants because they know that they don't complain. $5 $10 antofuga moto na matotota metabaza boss and but awashandire mari dzisingatenge. They always strike kana mari dzavo dzisingatenge, and company inotombovhara for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, then wozowedzerwa mari unoona vanhu vodzokera kubasa. But as Zimbos, we don't strike. Toshanda 7 to 7 every day, Monday to Sunday, even overtime. But and so most of these big businesses, they are exploiting foreign nationals in the name of you guys, you are hard workers. But no, and so someone saying that something is wrong with SA. How come they employ undocumented immigrants? They want to exploit Zimbabweans benefiting from cheap labor. Now they will attract penalties. Their businesses will suffer a blow. Yes, that's the thing. These employers will be fined. Most of them, they knew the risks. We are taking a chance, at the same time we are saving money. So it is what it is. And so guys, but it's all in the comment section. This is the audio thoughts with Prince on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. If video tended up on social media, people are talking a lot about this video. Is most of these guys are Zimbabweans, of course. We all know they are Zimbos because my Zimba, and yes, they're being picked by Kumba Kumba. Of course, Oma Face verifying all the documents and wanawo kana wasina wana, and kana usina unogotoona kuti hauna, and kana une fake, it's better to say kuti hauna, because once they find out kuti ndere fake, you'll be charged again with fraud plus kuva uri South Africa is illegal. So to just say kuti hauna bepa, and saka maybe they lied, or maybe the employer didn't know kuti wanawa hawana zvakakwana, or he or she knows kuti reshuwa hawana zvakakwana, and he or she was just taking a chance to hire illegal immigrants, and many South Africans are happy with these operations because they've been restless for the last few months, saying kuti ma-authorities muri kupi, iyo nyika akutotorwa nema-foreigners, especially us as Zimbos, ndisitiri palist, ndisitiri pamusoro, because ndisu tinowanikwa tiri mumabasa akawanda andika anenge achidiwawo nema-locals. So guys, this is the Audio Thoughts with Prince on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. We're gonna see a lot of these operations happening next year, 2023. Yes, I think the Home Affairs Department is going to employ as many people as possible, and the Labor Department is going to employ again as many people as possible, and these operations are going to be carried out the whole of South Africa. So they're saying that it's better for you to pack your bags and leave our country. Uenda wenyika kwako unogara ikoko uzodzoka kana wane zvakakwana. So this is Audio Thoughts with Prince on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Thank you guys for listening and watching. We're gonna keep you guys in the loop, keeping you guys up to date with the latest zvirikuitika USA azvinamira mushe, because mari yakawanda ikutenderera marare iri kubva kuSouth Africa, saka kudzoka kwevanhu ikoko kunokanganisa zvakare mhuri dzakawanda kuZimbabwe. Besides mhuri, even the same economy chaiyo yakatomira because of diasporans who are sending money through wanamkuru wana hello paisa so pakaipa. This is Audio Thoughts with Prince on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Thank you guys for listening and watching. Remember to like, share and comment. Bless up.